Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Google NotebookLM for an efficient literature review. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type NotebookLM and select the official website from the results. Once the page loads, click on Try NotebookLM to access the platform. After entering, click on Create New to start a fresh project. This opens your workspace, where you can begin organizing your literature review. Next, click on Upload Sources and add your files, such as PDFs, Word documents, or references from databases. Once your sources are uploaded, start using prompts to analyze your material. For example, summarize methodologies across studies. Then create a table comparing drilling accuracy, time consumed, and rate of penetration. You can also generate a content map to visualize how studies connect. Next, create an annotated bibliography in IEEE style. Finally, combine insights into a coherent literature review paragraph using an academic tone. So that's basically how you can use Google NotebookLM for an efficient literature review. That's it for this video. Thanks.